In this video, I'm going to show you how to link FXPesa to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to sign into your account in your portal, and then you want to go to the dashboard, and you want to first create an MT5 account. So I'm going to do this with my demo account over here. So I'm going to show you how to actually set it up, but it's going to be exactly the same process in case you are using a live account. Over here, I'm going to go to demo, click on create account. And then here you want to select MetaTrader 5, your account type, your currency, and then confirm it with your portal password. In case you don't get it, in case you don't know what this password is, it's the same one you use to actually sign into your portal, and you'll receive it onto your email when you actually sign up for an FXPesa account. So after you do that, I would recommend going to platforms here on the left hand side, and then you can download MetaTrader 5 directly over here for either Mac OS or Windows, or if you have MetaTrader on your computer already, that's fine as well, just like me, as you can see here, and then you can get connected. So once you create your account, you'll receive your credentials to sign into MT5 onto your email. Make sure you have your email open because we're going to need that. And then you want to also open up your MT5 program. Now, here inside MT5, click on File, top left, and then click on Open an Account. Here inside, you want to look for EGM securities. Okay, so type in EGM, press find your company, and it should find these EGM securities. When you do that, click on next. And by the way, that is because if you are connecting to an FXPesa MT5 account, you have to connect via these EGM securities. Now, once you're here, click on connect with an existing trade account, and then you have to simply type in your account ID or the account number, just like that, and then your password as well, which is the portal password, and then your server here, so it could be either live or demo, depending on which account you are trying to sign into, and then just click on finish. And whenever you do this over here, as you can see, I'm now connected to my FXPesa account inside MT5, and I've successfully linked it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.